Hello and welcome. Today we're going to talk about the present perfect. Some people find it tricky, so today we're going to look at how we use it in real life and focus on that. So, the present perfect, what do we use it for in day-to-day life? We use it to talk about life experiences, like asking a question, have you ever been to Paris? Discussing recent changes, like I have just started a new job. Talking about actions that still affect us in the present, like she has lost her keys. So, how do we form the present perfect? Well, we use have and has plus the past participle. If you'd like to learn more about the past participle, please watch my video on it. So, we have some examples of the present perfect here. I've seen that movie before. That's an experience. Something that's present result. He has broken his leg. And something that's still true now. We've lived here since 2019. It's a really good idea to use contractions of the verb to have. Contractions are used by native or fluent speakers, and it just helps you sound more natural in conversations. Contractions are what we do to shorten words, in this case, the verb to have. In the present perfect, we often contract that verb to have, so it becomes from I have seen, changes to I've seen. So use these contractions in your speech to sound more natural. Now repeat after me. I've been to Paris. You've finished your homework. We've seen that film. She's just left. It's already started. Well done. Now let's have a quiz. Fill in the blanks and pause the video if you like. Some of the verbs are not regular verbs, so they won't have ed added to the base verb. Remember, you are forming the present perfect, so you are using have plus the past participle. How did you do? Bonus points if you use contractions for the verb to have. Okay, let's do some role play. You and your friend are talking about experiences. Ask your friend, have you ever tried? Could be food or sport. Then reply and respond using the present perfect. Yes, I have. No, I haven't. Here's some examples. Have you ever tried skiing? Yes, I have. I tried it last winter. Don't forget to switch roles. Or if you're doing it on your own, practice both roles. Well done. Let's have some more practice. Write down or say out loud 3 present perfect sentences using ever, never, just, yet, already. Well done today. Let's have a review. So, present perfect is used in real life for experiences to talk about have you ever tried skiing? Have you ever tried baking cookies? Results that are still happening in the present, like she has lost her keys, she has broken her phone. Things that have happened in the past and they're true now, like I've known her for years, we've lived here since 2019. So remember, you form the present perfect using have or has plus the past participle. So well done and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye for now.